Concerned at what we've seen happen overnight in relation to the humanitarian flotilla currently in international waters far off the coast of Greece. There's obviously quite a number of Irish citizens present on that flotilla, around 22 I believe, also a number of elected representatives, members of the Dáil and Seanad, members of the European Parliament, and it's very clear what international law allows and doesn't allow, and it is clearly a breach of international law to have any activity that is targeting a humanitarian flotilla. We obviously have clear travel advice in relation to going to a conflict area, that's obvious, but we've also got to remember what people are trying to do here. What they're trying to do is highlight a horrific genocide that is underway in Gaza, and a man-made famine that is starving civilians, that is starving children. So I intend today, in my intervention at the United Nations on the Global Alliance on a Two-State Solution, to publicly raise this issue. I also intend to work with other EU counterparts who have citizens on the flotilla to seek to collectively raise the issue in Tel Aviv. And I also intend this morning to speak with the European Commission's High Representative, Kaja Kallas, on this issue. But this is extraordinarily dangerous act that was undertaken last night, and I'm deeply concerned and troubled